الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessing be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, today I will shed some light on the subject that Islam brought about the educational revolution in the world. Nowadays, education is considered to be a gift of this modern age. But in fact, it is only Islam which laid down the foundation of education and took it to unprecedented heights. It is an established truth that Islam has not only influenced on education, rather it is the messenger of knowledge and leader of educational revolution in the world. But after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education. Their audience, unlike other religions and civilizations, Islam termed education as basic right of every individual in the society. The Greece and China made extraordinary progress in the field of education and art, but they also did not cover the education for all. Plato has also dreamed of democracy and equality, but he also could not go beyond education for some particular segments of the society. In India, which once was the center of education and art, a lower caste person was even allowed to hear the Vedic scriptures. None can deny the glory of Nalanda and Texas universities, but after all, the fact is that the common people were always deprived of education in Hindu periods. Education was only the monopoly higher classes of the society. When the sun of Islam was enlightened in the world, Europe was passing through dark ages of history. The scientists, artists, and men of learning were tossed to death. Even they were tossed to some similar ignorance and long slumber. Here I conclude my speech.